Morning guys, we are off to go meet Doug's sister at Bedgebury and we're all going to go for a little family bike ride this Sunday morning, afternoon. I hate starting the vlog when we're just on our way out, but if I don't start it now then I'll have to start it later, and it's quite windy today so I don't know how great sound's going to be. I have got my little wind muff just in case. We have stopped off at the garage to get petrol and also snacks for me because I'm already hungry. We had breakfast an hour ago and Doug was like, you can't be hungry already. I'm like, come on, we've been going out 6 years now. Do you not know me already? I'm already hungry and I can't do a bike ride whilst I'm hungry. I mean, we've not even started the bike ride yet, so I'm gonna get snacks and supplies. Some berries, because I know Delilah will want some. Here we are. Let's go! No way. We've been wanting to come on a little bike ride around here for a while, but we've been waiting for the weather to cool down a bit because it's just been too hot, but it's perfect weather at the moment. I am, however, a little bit nervous because I've never really ridden a bike properly. Now I know how to ride a bike. I feel like it's like swimming, you never really forget how to do it, but I've never really properly ridden a bike by myself, so it's gonna be interesting. Putting one of Delilah's birthday gifts to good use. Got our helmet all prepared.
Hello. Do we get 4 bikes? Yeah.
I've got to open the car, that would help. There we go. I've run back to the car to get my trainers because there is no hope in hell I'm going to be able to ride a bike in my sandals. I know how to ride a bike, but even as a kid I never really rode one. I never rode one on the roads. I will never ride bikes on roads, it just scares me. I think the most I did was just ride my bike around the block, around our house. God, this is really awkward. That was when I was about 8 or 9, and then the last time I rode a bike properly was when Doug and I did a tandem bike ride together in Wales 6 years ago. I've never actually properly done a full-on bike ride with my own bike, so this could be interesting, guys. We have a new GoPro which we're going to test out and try and get some good footage. So yeah, it should be a lovely afternoon. I'll try and get what footage I can get, and yeah, let's just hope I don't fall off my bike. These are our bikes. This is obviously Doug and Delilah's one. How exciting, Bubba! The person giving us the bikes was like, are you fine with gears? And I'm like, no, never used them. That's what I mean, I've never really ridden a bike properly. But I'll be fine, I'm sure I'll be fine. There we go. Whoopsie daisy. It was at this moment of editing that I realised the GoPro doesn't automatically film in the same ratio that my vlogging camera does. You would have thought I would have checked after doing this for 8 years. I've tried my best to kind of rectify the mistake. It looks too weird if you zoom it in, so I've just put a nice blurry background effect to kind of not make it look so harsh. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Run! Is it fun? Ben? Should we go see Ben? There's Mummy.
But I can't remember which one it is. Doug, I can't balance myself. Oh my god. I can even go in a straight line down there. Why can't I control where I'm going? Riding a bike is harder than it. What is going on?
Which is what, just over a mile?
4k?
Yeah.
2 miles.
Not 2 miles.
Just under. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Ready? Riding a bike's apparently not as easy as I thought it was. I think I'm going to try and push through. I'm like so out of breath and I'm sweating already. Like, I'm so unfit. And Doug's got Delilah and he's like, yeah, I'm fine. Still got my jumper on.
bit warm. My legs are a bit warm.
Well, Ben's just gone into the bush. I don't know how he did that.
Let's go! Hello! Hello! Is Mummy coming? She's coming. So let her catch. Go, go, go! You're pushing me, Delilah. Is Mummy going to come past? Here comes Mummy. Can you see Mummy? Rhiannon is actually doing really well, considering she hasn't ridden a bike in like 20 years. But she's doing really well, and so is Delilah. Delilah's doing really well as well.
I know you guys are jealous of how cool I look right now. I'm getting there, I'm getting the hang of it. I'm keeping my gear kind of in the middle, not touching it. And I'm actually managing to keep balance on my bike for more than 10 seconds. There's loads of kids putting me to shame here. But I think I've got the hang of it. It's started to rain though, we've got no waterproofs. And you're enjoying it, aren't you, gorgeous? Yeah. Bye-bye.
I need my seat back, Delilah.
We've lost Ben down here. Good day, Ben! I shan't be going down there.
Rhiannon almost got to the top of the hill.
I'll do another hill fine. Then this one was really steep, so I needed to change my
It was really
gear.
still.
And I didn't change my gear properly, and then I was already halfway up. And I couldn't get the momentum back up.
It's hard, isn't it, Delilah? Your leg's hurting. Yeah. So we're nearly finished. Rhiannon, you've done it. Delilah, you did well. Here we are, back at the car park. Hey!
My brother.
Have you seen
A bit too big.
Has it not been tightened up to the tightest one?
Yeah.
Is it? Maybe got a small head. Oh,
High five, Delilah.
Right.
high five.
Five.
I think she wants some lunch now. Go get some lunch. Down here. Got some popcorn. Yogurt. I think you should have your sandwich first though. We've come into the cafe to get Delilah some lunch. Melissa and I just have hot chocolates because we're going to wait for the boys to get back. They have gone off to use the extra hour that we still had left on the bike. So they've gone and done some like slightly crazier trails. And I survived. I did it. Didn't fall off my bike. It's a bit of a rocky start, but I did it. Got slightly rained on, feeling slightly fizzy head, but feeling good. It feels nice to get out and get a little bit rained on, be out in nature.
What do you think? Do we have more?
Come down to see the ducks whilst we wait for the boys to get back. See all the ducks? You see them? Do you like them?
Yes.
Yes. What do? Do they go quack quack? Quack quack quack? Wow, good jump. We're going to chill out here for a little bit before we get our lunch. I don't know how that's going to quite how that's going to go, considering Delilah's had her lunch and all four of us still need to have ours. She probably won't want to sit still for long. Maybe we can persuade her with a cake or biscuit or something. Quack. Daddy and Ben are back. Yeah?
You're going quack, quack, quack.
Hold Mummy's hand. We're hoping a chocolate lolly and this little bag is going to keep her entertained long enough for us to have some lunch.
Saw that little girl have one over there. And she was
I know, I saw.
ice cream.
Chocolate.
Thank you.
Lunch has arrived. Blue, a red and a green. We colour in these. Yeah. Should mommy show you? Yes. It's Delilah's. I mean, that's you. Look at yourself. Yes. Heading back to the car now.
Bye bye. Thanks for coming.
I'm coming with you.
Right, you go find Daddy. Thanks, well, suggesting it. It's very nice.
You may be able to see that we are popping into Tom's coffee shop. I know we were here a couple of days ago. It was a fleeting visit. We didn't even have coffee here because the shop was shut. We thought we'd come here on our way home because we've still got a few hours left on Sunday. Hi!
See you soon.
What an amazing contrast.
Good girl. They're lovely, aren't they? Oh, smell those ones. Yeah. Might be here a while if you have to smell them all. Yay! Still got a bit of time to waste, so we're nipping to the castle, which is also around the corner from Tom's coffee shop. So Lola's very excited. Wow! Yeah!
There we go.
So thank you.
No problem. Let's go give him that.
Wow!
Go put that
Can
in
you
her
go give him
pot.
that? Good girl.
Put it in there.
Put it in the pot. Wow.
Lovely, thank you.
What a random day we've had. Delilah is very chuffed with her flag. But we are heading back to the car now. We're back home. Oof. We've been home for the last 20 minutes or so. Just been whipping around the flat, tidying a few bits. I think I'm going to sleep well tonight. I am knackered. I'm going to go make Delilah's dinner. Tidy up the bed. Should check Delilah's heart. There we go. We got to do this. Go. It's a TikTok, isn't it? Yeah. Squishy ball. Squish, squish. Dum 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 dum. You're checking my heart rate. I think my heart's up here, Bubba. I'm just tidying up and popping stuff away as usual. But one thing I did notice when I got Delilah's bottle out is that it's a little bit scratched up from today. Which it's fine. I expected it to get a little bit boffed around and dented. You know, it's a toddler's water bottle. What do you expect? It's the same with our clothes. Like, I'm happy for Delilah to get covered in all sorts. The only thing that bugs me is mud and sand, because that just is impossible to get out. But Doug popped this in like the little water holder thing in the bike, and he was squishing it in, and it's scuffed all the paint. Oh well. Anyway, pop this stuff away, carry on with dinner, put a little one to bed, and I cannot wait to chill out, have a scrummy dinner, have some ice cream, and watch the next, well, onto the next series of Orange is the New Black. So yeah, be a nice evening.
Dog.
Vlog, yeah. Clever girl.
Dog.
Hey.
Dog.
I've drowned my dinner in gravy, obviously, and we are on to season 6 of Orange is the New Black. This is the face of a very tired mama who has eaten far too much ice cream. There's like a tiny bit melted at the bottom. Feel actually sick. I'll end the vlog here. There's no point in me just waiting to say goodnight after I've gotten ready for bed. Today's been a good day. It's nice to get outside, and it felt good doing something that I wouldn't usually do. I was quite up for having a bike ride, and then once, as you guys saw, once I got on, I realised that it was harder than I remember. Like I just for some reason couldn't keep myself going straight. I was really struggling to the point where I thought I'm just gonna have to go back to go back and chill out in the cafe whilst everyone else went on the bike ride. But I persevered. I think the old me would have given up, but I was like, no, I'll just be annoyed with myself if I give up now. So I just kept going, and I did it, and I picked it up, and the more I rode the bike, the easier it got, and I'm really proud of myself. And I did something that was a bit out of my comfort zone. I'm going to say goodnight now, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.
Bye.